All right, so hello again, myself Himanshu Rathi, and I will be demonstrating to you a practical that's hacking Windows 10. So I will be using Metasploit Framework, and let's see all the steps. Okay, so I'll present. Okay, so what technique we are going to follow is we are going to create a payload in using the Metasploit framework in Kali Linux, and we are going to send that payload to Windows 10 machine, and we will be generating a website link, and when the victim clicks on that website link, the file gets downloaded, and when the victim executes it, it gets exploited, and we get connection to the remote connection to the Windows 10. So how this is working is like using a reverse TCP connection. So what the reverse TCP connection does is we don't need to open a port in Windows 10. We can connect to the Linux, Kali Linux directly, and that will be one advantage because there are a lot of problem due to security restrictions while opening a port. Okay, so steps. First, we're going to create a payload, and then we are going to use some social engineering technique. Like we decided to create a malicious website and share the link to the victim. And on the victim's PC, we need to disable the firewall, and then we just give me a second. Okay, then we just launch that Metasploit framework in our Kali Linux, and we will be connected to the victim PC through reverse shell. That's all. Okay. So now I will go to the my virtual machine in Kali. So here I just checked my IP and also another Windows 10 machine IP, and just I just try to ping them, and they are working. It means them they are in the same network, so it will be easy for me to exploit. So now I just created some steps, and here are the steps. So first step is to generate the payload. So for that I need to specify a port. So port I will take it randomly. So let's say 12345. This is the port that I'm taking, and for the IP address I just checked it now. So we go there in the IP, and from here it is Ethernet 0, and I'm gonna copy it. Okay, Control Shift C, and I'm going to paste it here. This is the IP, and this is the port, and this is the payload.exe. So I just change this to don't open it. This is a kind of social engineering technique to make it more attractive for the victim to open. Okay, so now I will just go to the terminal and run this command. Increase the size. Okay, so this is the command, and I hit enter. So it will take a few seconds to generate that file. Okay, I will do one thing. Uh, I will first log in as a root user. Okay, now I'm in here. Now I will run it. So meanwhile, let's look at the second command. So in the step two, we are just going to start the framework. So let's copy this command. Control C. We go there in the terminal. So as we can see, this payload is generated, and this is the size, and this is the name. So we just do ls, and it shows us the don't open it.exe. Okay, so now we are good to start with the framework. So now I just paste it. Got some error. Okay, now I just started the framework, and let it start. It will also take a few seconds. Till then we can look at the second step. So we are going to create a handler. Okay, So I will run this command. It is still loading. Okay, now it's there. So I just paste the command and the handler is ready. Okay, now what we are going to do next is set the payload to reverse TCP, and there we go with the command. Okay, now we are there. Now we are going to specify the IP address and the port number. So this is our IP address. We are going to just copy it and sorry, we are going to do set L port, and then we are going to paste the IP and L. Oops, I did a mistake. Set uh, L port to 12345. We just set the IP. Then we are going to set the IP. So the command was set L host. Okay. So now I will do set L host. Now I will paste the IP. Okay. Now we are good to go. Okay. So what's the next steps? Now we are just going to start the listener. So we go there and just type exploit. Okay, then hit enter, and it should start in 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, and one more thing we need to do is I will open another terminal and I will create that malicious file link. Sorry, malicious website link. So I will log in as a root user. I will enter my password and I will do ls. So I have this don't open it.exe file with me. So now what I am going to do is move this file to my desktop. Don't open it. Okay, so I will go one directory back and then I go home, and then home I have a user rati, and there I have desktop, and in that folder I have website folder. So there we go, and now I should see in my website folder the don't open it.exe. So now what I'm going to do is I will just deploy it using netlify. Netlify is a easy to use tool for me. So I will select deploy manually. We just need to drag and drop the folder here. So I'll browse instead, and okay, so this is my folder, and now I'm going to select upload, and okay, I'm sure upload. So it now started uploading the files. Okay, so now the I guess the files are uploaded, and I think I can change the name for it. I go with site configuration and change site name, and again I will type don't open it. Open it. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, so okay, now so we have started the framework also, and we have created the malicious website also, and now I will go to the victim machine and I will open the Microsoft Edge, the browser. Okay, so now we are going to just visit that website. Don't open it. Dot netlify. Dot app slash don't open it.exe. So this was our URL, and hopefully it should download. Okay, it has downloaded. Okay, and since it is a malicious uh, file, so I will do keep it anyway. Okay, so it is downloaded. So what I will do is just move it to a secure folder. Just do control X, those D. Go to, okay, I go to the hack folder. I just control V here. Okay, so this is my website, and oh, sorry, this is my file, and I just double click it, and okay, more info, run anyway. Okay, so I just run this file, and I should now get a connection in my this machine, Kali machine. So where's the terminal I'm looking for? uh, it is this terminal. So it says one session open. So now let us check. Okay, so I will just try to take a screenshot. Okay, so screenshot save to root. Okay, so I will try some other commands. I will screen share. Okay, I just hit enter, and it shares. It is streaming at. Okay, so I just okay, okay. So I will just open that in file manager. So I go to file system. I go to root, and I guess I open the terminal again. What was the file name? Root KYNE. Okay, KYNE. Okay, so I double click this file, and it opens here. So now I can see the status is playing, and this is the screen. And if I place both the screens parallelly, okay, I go here, and this is my Windows 10. So if I do some changes here, if I minimize this, I can see the changes here. Okay, now I will minimize this again, and there's a 2-3 seconds lag, and you can see the screens get minimized. So we can say that we are able to just screen share it, and I will try some other things also. I will open settings here, and these settings are being shown in my like Kali machine. And if I even I just visit my browser, and I say some I visit some banking website, all of the stuff is being shown here. So we can say that our Windows 10 is compromised. Okay, so you can say that I just go to, if I even go to login, and we can just see what is going on in our Windows 10, and we can see all our personal details and all. So that was all for Windows 10 hacking, and thank you.